Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up oracles using Chainlink for web3 frontend calls, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what an oracle is and its importance in the blockchain ecosystem. Explain that oracles act as bridges between smart contracts and real-world data. Introduce Chainlink as a decentralized oracle network that enables secure data feeds for blockchain. Begin with the prerequisites for setting up oracles using Chainlink. Ensure you have a basic understanding of blockchain technology and smart contracts. Make sure you have an Ethereum wallet, such as MetaMask, installed and properly configured. Head over to the Chainlink website to create an account if you don't have one. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Chainlink documentation for the latest guides. Familiarize yourself with the Chainlink ecosystem components, including nodes and decentralized networks. Next, select a data source relevant to your application. Decide on the type of data you want to pull into your smart contracts. Once you have your data source, move on to setting up your smart contract. Use Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum smart contracts, for your development. Create functions in your smart contract to request data from the Chainlink oracle. Include the necessary Chainlink libraries in your smart contract code. Specify the oracle's address and request parameters within your contract. Compile your smart contract using an IDE like Remix or Truffle. Deploy your smart contract to the Ethereum network. Make sure to connect your wallet and pay the gas fees for deployment. Once deployed, verify your contract on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Next, set up your Chainlink node if you want to run your own oracle. Download and install Docker, then use it to set up a Chainlink node. Configure the Chainlink node API and database according to the documentation. Connect the node to the Ethereum network by setting up the required environment variables. Create job specifications for your Chainlink node to handle incoming requests. Test your job specifications to ensure they accurately pull the desired data. Now, return to your smart contract and update it with the new oracle and job ID. Include functions to handle the response data from the oracle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.